Namaste friend, today I am going to discuss with you one of the important topic that is interpretation of coefficient correlation. As you know that the coefficient values always lies between the -1 to 1. Here we shall discuss the one of the diagram and chart when R positive correlation, when there is a negative correlation and zero correlation. If R equal to +1, then we said that there is a positive correlation. When R equal to -1, we say that there is a negative correlation. When R equal to 0, we say that there is a zero correlation or no correlation. When R equal to 1, the relationship between the two variables is perfect and positive. When R equal to -1, the relationship between the two variables is perfect and negative. When R equal to 0, there is no exist relationship between the two variables. From the graph, we see that when x is increases, y is also increases. So x is directly proportional to the y. From second graph, we observe that when x is a increases, y is a decreases. So from second graph, we observe that the x is inversely proportional to the y in case of negative relation. But there is when r equal to 0, there is no relationship between the x1. So the value of x and y is randomly in a third diagram. But sometimes we do not get the perfect correlation, means r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to minus. Some value will get in between them. In that case, what happened? How to interpret? Here we have to show the table to interpret in a such value. Here there is a positive range and negative range will be given. So when there is a 0 to 0.10, either positive or negative, there is a negligible correlation. When there is a 0.10 to 0.39, either positive or negative, we say that there is weak or low positive or negative correlation. When we observe that there is a 0.40 to 0.69, either positive or negative, in that case we shall say that there is a moderate positive or negative correlation. When there is a 0.70 to 0.89, either positive or negative, we say that there is strong or high positive or negative correlation. When R value is 0.90 to 1.00, maybe positive or negative, will say that there is a very strong correlation or very high correlation. From the given table, we can easily interpret the R value if there is lies between the -1 to 1. Next point, what is the use of different correlation? Correlation coefficient describes the strength and direction of an association between the variables. A Pearson correlation is a measure of linear association between the two normally distributed random variables. Spearman rank correlation describes the monotonic relationship between the two variables. A correlation coefficient can be produced for ordinary interval or ratio level variable, but has little meaning for variables which are measured on the scale which is no more than the nominal scale. For ordinal scale, the correlation coefficient which is usually calculated is Spearman correlation coefficient. For interval and ratio scale, the commonly used correlation coefficient Pearson ordinarily refers to as simple the correlation coefficient of R। एक भाषा में ये समझा जाता है जब मैग्नीट्यूड का वैल्यू हो लेकिन इंटरवल ना हो, उस समय हम क्या करेंगे, स्पेयरमैन का रैंक वाला कोरिलेशन कोफिशिएंट यूज करेंगे। जब मैग्नीट्यूड हो और इंटरवल भी हो उस समय हम क्या करेंगे, पियर्सन को यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि कोई भी हमें आर वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमें कौन सा चीज की जरूरत है, मैग्नीट्यूड और इंटरवल को जरूरत है। इसलिए हम कोरिलेशन कोफिशिएंट में क्या करते हैं, कभी भी नॉमिनल स्केल को यूज नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ हम लोग ऑर्डिनल, इंटरवल और रेशियो स्केल का यूज करते हैं। अब summary of interpretation of R value. First point, the scatter diagram gives a visual presentation of nature of relationship between the two variables and is not confined to a linear relation. These measures, however, do not imply the caution. The knowledge of correlation gives us an idea of the direction and intensity of change in variable when the correlated variable changes. Second point, correlation analyze the studies the relationship between the two variables. Carl-Pearson coefficient of correlation are measured numerically only the relationship between the two variables. When the variables cannot be measured precisely by Spearman rank, correlation can be used to measure the linear relationship numerically. Repeated rank need a correction factor. Correlation doesn't mean the caution, it only means a covariation. Be measured precisely, rank correlation can be used. These measures, however, do not imply caution. During the topic or NET examination or education or B.Ed. M.Ed. exam, some of the question will ask, after finding the R value, they will also ask, please interpret the R value, or what is the understand by R value. In that case, you have to give the answer of this R value. Sometimes they will also ask the question which I have already given on the topic. Such type of question will we get the answer in a earlier question. Thank you so much.